Welcome to Supista Project Management System. This video tutorial is about MyTask Kanban. In this video, we will explore the MyTask Kanban in Supista PMS and learn how to efficiently manage your daily tasks from start to finish. Let's get started. Basically, the My Task is your personal workspace where all the tasks assigned to you are displayed in a very easy to manage Kanban board. Whether you have created a task for yourself or it has been assigned to you by your manager or another team member, every assigned task appears here. Let us understand the board. The Kanban task board is divided into different stages: to do, in progress, completed, needs revision, on hold, and skip. This visual layout allows you instantly understand the status of all of your assigned work. Each task card displays important information such as the task name and other relevant details. You can simply click on the task card and see all of the details created at the epic that it belongs to, task title, the task status that you can select from this drop down, task description, if any, the task type, priority, planned start date, actual start date, end date, due date, reminder date, estimated completion time, actual completion time, file attachments if you need any, task weightage, completed percentage, task assigned by, task assigned to, and revision remarks. You can create a new task from this button here. Suppose I will create a task named sample task. Here I can select the planned start date, the actual start date, planned end date, let us say tomorrow, actual end date, I will leave it be, due date for tomorrow. Now I'll assign it to one of my employees and create it. Here, as you can see, this task is now in our to do section. Now, here we have a various range of buttons: start task, pause task, mark as complete, needs revision, on hold, and skip. We can use these buttons to update the progress status of our task. Suppose if I click on start task, my task will automatically shift to some in progress. Now, when I click on mark complete, as you can see, it has been shifted to completed. Now, if you do not wish to use the buttons, you can simply hold the task and drag and drop it. Suppose if some task needs revision, you can simply drop it in this board. And as you can see, status has been changed inactive. These quick action buttons and drag and drop option ensures that task status remain accurate throughout the project life cycle. The task status is updated automatically as you just saw, providing a fast and intuitive way to manage your work. Vista PMS also provides you with a search bar. Suppose here I am entering dashboard. All of my results have been filtered to reflect this particular change, as you can see. Supista PMS also provides you with filter option if you need a specific search. Suppose here I am applying a filter to assigned by. Suppose I want to see all the tasks assigned by the employee Rishija. I will simply apply the filter and I'll be able to see all the tasks that have been assigned by Rishija. Basically, My Task Kanban provides a very simple and visual way to organize your daily work. Whether the tasks are self created or assigned to you by your team, you can easily track their progress, update status using buttons, or drag and drop, and ensure every task moves smoothly from planning to completion. With everything organized in one place, staying on the top of your work has never been easier. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.